everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share a small piece of ideas about Mother's Day. Before going to the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's go into the video. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family as well as motherhood, maternal bonds and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on various days in many parts of the world, most commonly in the month of March or May. It complements similar celebration honoring family members such as Father's Day, Siblings Day and Grandparents' Day. The modern holiday of Mother's Day was first celebrated in 1908 when Anne Jarvis held a memorial for her mother at St. Andrew's Methodist Church in Grafton, West Virginia. St. Andrew's Methodist Church now holds the International Mother's Day Shrine. Her campaign to make Mother's Day a recognized holiday in the United States began in 1905, the year her mother, Anne Rivers Jarvis, died. Anne Jarvis has been a peace activist who cared for wounded soldiers on the both sides of American Civil War and created Mother's Day work clubs to address public health issues. Anne Jarvis wanted to honor her mother by continuing the work she started and to set aside a day to honor all mothers because she believed a mother is the person who has done more for you than anyone in the world. While United States holiday was adopted by some other countries, existing celebration held on different dates honoring the motherhood have become described as Mother's Day, such as Mothering Sunday in the United Kingdom. Or in Greece, the East Orthodox celebration of the presentation of Jesus Christ to the temple 2nd February of Julian calendar. Both the secular and religious Mother's Day are present in Greece. Mothering Sunday is often referred to as Mother's Day even though it is an unrelated celebration. In some countries, the date adopted in one significant to the majority religion such as Virgin Mary Day in Catholic countries. Other countries selected a date with historical significance. For example, Bolivia's Mother's Day is a fixed date, remembering of the battle in which women participated to defend their children. In most countries, Mother's Day is an observance derived from the holiday as it has evolved in the United States, promoted by companies who saw benefit in making it popular. As adopted by other countries and cultures, the holiday has different meanings, is associated with different events, that is religious, historical or legendary, and it is celebrated on different dates. The extent of this celebration varies greatly. In some countries, it is potentially offensive to one's mother not to mark Mother's Day. In others, it is a little known festival celebrated mainly by immigrants or covered by the media as a taste of foreign culture. The modern Mother's Day has been assimilated into Indian culture and it is celebrated every year on the second Sunday of May. Indians do not celebrate the occasion as a religious event. Its celebration is mostly restricted to urban areas where the occasion has been largely commercialized. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section.